गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ वी हैड स्टार्टेड विथ यूनिट 3 एक्सप्लोरिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग और हम लोग यहाँ तक पहुँचे थे एक्टिविटी 9 तक. लेट अस रीड फ्रॉम एक्टिविटी 9. Work with a partner or a group to create an advertisement. You are a team of advertisers for a big soft drink company. You want to make a new drink to sell to housewives. Decide together that the drink will be like, what the drink will be like, and how you will advertise it. Some qualities that you might consider are taste, price, health benefits, diet, color, caffeine, carbonation, non-carbonation, type of bottle, or other quality that you and your partner think of. What is important to housewives? Why would housewives buy your drink? What will you say in your ad to convince the housewives to buy your drink, right? What will you, मतलब क्या टैगलाइन आप दोगे तो हाउसवाइफ्स कन्विंस होंगी आपका ड्रिंक बाय करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका ड्रिंक इज, आप वो फ्लेवर्ड ये बेच रहे हो बटर मिल्क जो अमूल का आता है अभी, राइट? तो उसके लिए what taglines you will use, how will you publicize the product, that you have to see. Discuss these questions together and agree on the same and slogan for your drink. Draw an advertisement here and make a short presentation to the class where you try to sell your drink to the other classmates. कुछ नहीं करना है, advertisement बनाओ सिर्फ एक, right? Now activity 10, share your ad for a soft drink with the class. Listen to the ads of other classmates, then work in pairs or groups to discuss these questions. ये छोड़ो, बट ये आपको करना है. ये एक अब उसका छोटा सा ऐड बनाओ कि आप कोई भी एक टाइप का ड्रिंक बेच रहे हो और हाउसवाइफ को कन्विंस कर रहे हो, तो आप क्या करोगे, राइट? नाउ हियर आपको टेस्ट और ये सब कंपेयर करना. ये एक्टिविटी हमने ड्रॉप डाउन कर दी है. You use one of the ads presented by another group of classmates to answer the following questions. दूसरे classmates के वहाँ से करना है, उनके opinion का question है, so we leave it. Now unit 4, let us move on to exploring poetry. Poetry means writing poems, right? Activity 1, read aloud and enjoy the poem Life. Life. What is life? Life is a tree that grows well with love and care. Life is a kite ready to fly in the air. Life is music if you know the notes to play. Life is a road with twists and turns on its way. What is life? Life is what you make it your way, right? It is very nice. जैसा आप life बनाओगे वैसे वो बनेगा. It is written by Esther Samuel. Now there's an activity again. Visit a park and identify birds, insects, trees and flowers. Note the details below. Birds, insects जो भी आप देखते हो, bugs देखते हो, mosquitoes होते हैं, trees आप देखते हो अलग अलग, राइट? अशोका ट्री देखते हो, फ्लावरिंग ट्रीज आप देखते हो, कुछ जासूद है लाइक हिबिस्कस. बर्ड्स आप कुछ टाइप के पिजन, क्रो, पैरट, ऐसा सब लिस्ट डाउन करो, राइट? आई एम गिविंग यू दिस इन होमवर्क, यू कैन डू दिस. आप बाहर नेसेसरीली पार्क में जाके देख के आओ ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बट यू मस्ट हैव सीन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स, बर्ड्स, उसका लिस्ट डाउन आप कर सकते हो. उसके बाद एक्टिविटी 3, ऑन द ग्रास हॉपर एंड द क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट एक टाइप का ऐसा एक ग्रास हॉपर जैसा इंसेक्ट ही होता है. दिस इज अ पोएम ऑन नेचर. In it, the grasshopper and cricket act as symbols suggesting life. Read the poem and notice how the poetry of earth keeps on through summer and winter in a never-ending song. So let us read the poetry. इसमें हमने, I don't think there is any hard words to be underlined here. Twists and turns को कर सकते हो. Twist को करो. Grows ready kite. Yeah, leave it, just memorize the writer, okay. Then next one, let us read the poem. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new mown mead. Hedge, mown and mead. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead in summer luxury. Grasshoppers को underline करो. He has never done with his delights, for when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. Beneath मतलब नीचे, some pleasant weed. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. Ceasing को underline करो, मतलब कभी बंद नहीं होती. Poetry of earth. On a lone winter evening when the frost has wrought a silence from the stone there shrills. right? कभी भी ये नेचुरल पोएट्री है, अलग अलग टाइप की आवाज़ें आती रहती है अपने आप ही, एनिमल्स करते रहते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल पोएट्री. द पोएट्री ऑफ नेचर हैज़ wrought a silence from the stone there shrills. shrills मतलब पतली सी आवाज़ें आती है वो. shrills. The cricketer's song, not cricketer's song. The cricket song in the warmth increasing ever and seems to one in drowsiness, मतलब आधी नींद में. Half eyes closed and open ऐसी वाली. Half lost. The grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Okay. So write down these words. I have made you underline. ये जॉन कीट्स की पोएम है. जॉन कीट्स इज अ फेमस poet. Then activity 4, match A with B. I am giving you this in homework. Find out the meanings of these words. Faint का generally होता है weak. Drowsy is feeling sleepy. Then ceasing मतलब stop existing or happening. Then rot comes through loud and clear. Shrill should be comes out and clear, and rot should be brought about. Still I'll have to confirm it once, then I will share it with it. Moving on to the next, activity 5. Answer the following questions with reference to the poem. What happens when all the birds... I will give these answers in homework. ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करके मैं आपके साथ आंसर की शेयर कर लूँगी. राइमिंग वर्ड्स. एक्टिविटी 8 पे जाते हैं सीधा. Activity 8 is rhyming words. Give as many rhyming words as you can for the following: sun, then bun, run, and gun. Then lone, lone. Can write moan. Shrill becomes drill. Then kill and will. Weed, seed. Read and bead. इसका BEAD होता है पर साउंड यही होता है. सो राइमिंग वर्ड्स को लिखते हैं. लोन बिकम्स मोन. गोन एंड वन मोर. ट्राई टू फाइंड इट आउट. We have matched the word meanings here. Now we shall move on to the questions. I have written the answers now. Answer the following questions with reference to the poem. What happens when all the birds are faint in the heat of the sun? So we'll start the answer like this. When all the birds are faint in the heat of the sun, the poetry of the earth never dies. Then number 2, when can one hear the cricket's song? When there is complete silence, one can hear the cricket's song. Then dash, he takes the lead in summer luxury. Who is he here? Here he is the grasshopper about whom the poet is talking. Now, activity 6, personification. The entire poem is a good example of poetic device personification. It is also called a figure of speech, where objects or animals have human qualities. For example, the poetry of earth is never dead. Here, the poetry is personified to having the human quality of dying. Work in group to list 5 examples of personification. Examples of personification आप पोएम 1 में से काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स है वो इसमें लिस्ट डाउन कर सकते हो, राइट, जो हमने पढ़ी थी पर्सोनिफिकेशन. एक मिनट. यस, ये रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर वाला जो है, वेयर द माइंड इज़ विदाउट फियर, इसमें काफ़ी सारे पर्सोनिफिकेशन यूज़ किया है काफ़ी सारी लाइंस में. वो मैंने तब आपको बताया था. तो फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन राइट डाउन एनी 2 or 3 लाइन्स हियर, राइट, पर्सोनिफिकेशन का. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू एक्टिविटी 7. From fun with language, complete the following ladder with the clues given below. So here 2 words, then 4 words, then 6 words, then 7 वर्ड जैसे करके जाना है, राइट. तो पहला वाला क्या है, क्लू, देयर इज लाइफ ऑन द प्लैनेट अर्थ, राइट. सो इट इज EARTH, अर्थ. देन द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज फुल ऑफ माउंटेन्स, पर माउंटेन हमें यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है. देन नेक्स्ट इज वुलन इज टू विंटर एंड कॉटन इज टू समर. समर इज गिवन SUMMER, दैट इज 4 लेटर का वो बीच का गैप है. देन नंबर 4, व्हेन वी आर सिक वी नीड टू रेस्ट, पर रेस्ट का नहीं है यहाँ पर कोई ब्लैंक. डैश हेल्प अस इन कीपिंग द सराउंडिंग्स प्योर, सो इट विल बी ट्रीज, TREES, ट्रीज. सिंग अ डैश फॉर 6 pence, सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर 6 pence. द डैश इज always green on the other side of the fence, the grass is always green on the other side. Okay, now एक्टिविटी 8, राइमिंग वर्ड्स. ये मैं इसके ऊपर फोकस रख रही हूँ, आप लोग एक बार देख लो या फोटो खींच लो, या यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो हियर एंड राइट डाउन द आंसर्स. आई वोंट बी शेयरिंग अ फोटोग्राफ ऑफ दैट, राइट. सो प्लीज़ जस्ट टेक अ फोटो वाइल वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. ये मैंने उसके ऊपर फोकस हाईलाइट किया है. Here also on answers I am just highlighting it. You can just take a note of that. You can pause the video here, or you can just take a snapshot while watching the video so that you can do the answers. यहाँ ऊपर भी मैं कर रही हूँ. Okay, these activities are useless. I don't think I'll be asking anything out of this in the exam because it doesn't make sense. They are completely opinion based questions which is of no use. Then now rhyming words. Activity 8, give as many rhyming words as you can for the following. Number 1, sun, sun, bun, gun, run, fun, काफ़ी सारे हैं, right. Then lone, moan, gone, shown लिख सकते हो ऐसे, cho any shown. Then shrill, drill, kill, will, fill, mill, ये सारे एक साउंड के वर्ड्स है. weed, seed, reed, bead, ट्रीड भी है, TREAD, ट्रीड. ओके, सो एनी 1 or 3 to 4 you can write down. Activity 9, know your surroundings. Who am I? Also show my pictures as you recognize me. I am a large brown insect that is sometimes found in warm places or where food is kept. That is cockroach. I am a small insect which bites and sucks blood of people, sometimes also causing malaria. That is mosquito. I am a type of beetle producing light from my body. Answer is fireflies or glowworms. जुगनू जिसको बोलते हैं. I am an insect with long black legs and I jump high into the air making a vibrating sound. That is bee. I am a bright colored insect with long thin body and 2 sets of wings. That is a butterfly, right. Now activity 10 is make a greeting card with beautiful pictures of birds and insects. That is fine. I am not giving this to do, right. So we end here. ये हमारा unit 4 भी complete हो गया इधर. Now I'll be sharing the question answers of this along with the next further videos and you start completing it in your workbook. Workbook में से I will ask question answers and grammar part if there is any, right. I stop here today.